Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zainul Hakim bin Muhammad Zawari. My metric number is H19A0231. Okay, in the introduction, there are two parts, namely the background and research problem. Okay, the first is background. Sexual harassment continues to be one of the major challenges in society in Malaysia. David Gablet Yone Guria Chantan Guide 1998 state that sexual harassment as unwanted sexual behavior or other sex-based behavior that affect the dignity of women and men in the workplace. Okay, second part is research problem. Research problem have three causes, namely extractive, physical and personality, abuse of power and individualistic attitude. Okay, next I will pass to next presenter.
Hi, my name is Siti Fitratul Aini binti Zulkifli. My metric number is H19A0792. Okay, I want to explain about the objective. Okay, they have four objectives in this research. First, to identify the employee condition in hotel industry in Malaysia. Second, to study the working relationship of employee in hotel industry in Malaysia. Third, to determine the hotel reputation in hotel industry in Malaysia. And lastly, to examine the hotel productivity in hotel industry in Malaysia. Okay, next I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuri Hidayah binti Muhammad Sulasi. Metric number is H19A0682. So today I would like to present about my part, which is a research question. So as we know, our topic is the impact of sexual harassment in hotel industry among company in Malaysia. So for research question, we have four. The first one is what is the employee condition in hotel industry in Malaysia. The second is what is the working relationship of employee in hotel industry in Malaysia. The third is what is the hotel reputation in hotel industry in Malaysia. And the last one is what is the hotel productivity in hotel industry in Malaysia. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Hafiza. My name is Nur Farhana binti Norzalan. My metric number is H190669. So I will present about my part, which is the significance of the study. The significance of the study is divided into two parts, which are the managerial aspect and the literature aspect. From the managerial aspect, sexual harassment will be studied detailed through questionnaire, interview with people who have been sexually harassed, website and journals. This research will be able to be a reference so we can know and increase our knowledge about the adverse effect when sexual harassment occurs to individuals. The company in hotel industry are also able to take care of their employees so that sexual harassment can be reduced. Meanwhile, in terms of literature, this research will focus on the hotel industry related to sexual harassment. To produce a complete research, students need many reference resources of different perspectives and different information, especially those taken in academic journals. In addition, to obtain more detailed information, students need to find and read other research such as through article or newspaper as an aid for future strengthen this research. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Nuri Izzat Atira binti Maidin and my metric number is H19A0690 and today I will presenting or explain about my part, which is literature review for our group. And in literature review we have independence variables and dependence variable, and these two will have a correlation. For independence variables we have four. The first one is employee condition, the second one is working relationship of employee, the third one is hotel reputation, and the last one is hotel productivity. For dependent variable for our group is the impact of sexual harassment in hotel industry among company in Malaysia. And and I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurifah Afikah binti Yunus, metric number H19A0622. For my part, I will be presenting on the theory and hypothesis development. So here is the conceptual framework. A conceptual framework is the representation to illustrate the expected relationship between the variables. Conceptual framework help researchers to develop theories based on the possible relationship. So this conceptual framework show the expected relationship between the employee condition, working relationship of the employee, hotel reputation, and hotel productivity with the impact of sexual harassment in hotel industry among company in Malaysia. So next, research hypothesis. Research hypothesis is a statement or educated assumption about the relationship of the variables based on observation. So based on the previous conceptual framework, the research hypothesis of this study are there is a significant relationship between employee condition, working relationship of the employee, hotel reputation and hotel productivity with the impact of sexual harassment in hotel industry among company in Malaysia. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nora Syafiqah binti Nasaruddin. My metric number is H19A0442. For my part, in research methodology, the method of collecting is primary data. Primary data is a type of data that is collected by researcher directly from main source. The method of collecting data, what we choose is quantitative data. The term of quantitative data is method emphasize objective measurement and the statistical, mathematical or numerical analysis of data collected through polls, questionnaire and survey. The method what we choose is internet online survey. We use questionnaires which is Google form. The questionnaire relate with sexual harassment has been distributed as mail message through attachment and post as worldwide web form in the internet. The advantage for internet survey is cost saving, easy of editing or analysis and faster transition time. Every advantage must have a disadvantage. Among the weakness internet survey are lower levels of confidence, sample demographic, limitation and layout and presentation issue. That's all from me. Now I will pass this presentation to next presenter.
Okay, next conclusion. As a conclusion, this research was conducted to examine the impact of sexual harassment in hotel industry among company in Malaysia. Okay, what can be gained from this research? Sexual harassment is one of the wrongful act and will be subject in legal action for individual involved in the case. This shows that each individual must take this act seriously because it can affect his life and directly can affect his job. Besides, we must respect and care the right and welfare of others. Okay, next. This is very important for each individual to understand the risk of sexual harassment. Most of this sexual harassment will occur in the workplace. Then it is the duty of the company to provide exposure related to sexual harassment to its employees so that it can be prevented from happening. Okay, each employee must prevent this act of sexual harassment because it can indirectly affect himself and that company.